Are you looking for the best pole dancing poles in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pole dancing poles. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. We have the Prior Fitness 45mm Removable Dancing Pole Kit. Many dance poles have a pretty utilitarian design, so if you're looking for one that feels fancy to help motivate your workouts, the Prior Fitness Pole Dancing Pole might be the one for you. The titanium gold finish looks high-end, and this pole is another one that can accommodate higher weight exercisers up to 440 plus pounds. With similar height extendability to most, this dance pole for home use can range from 7.3 feet to 9 feet in height. As with many of the higher weight limit poles, the upper dome is double wide to ensure stability and more evenly distribute your weight for safety and less ceiling damage. Threaded joints make for strength, stability, and smoothness whether you're spinning or performing static moves. And when you're first learning, don't hesitate to put some exercise mats on the floor in case of falls. Because of the gold finish, this pole could also make for a flashy prop for boudoir photo shoots, and the portability means it would be easy to move to various locations and setups. If you're thinking of starting a boudoir photography business, snag Body and Soul. Lucrative and life-changing boudoir photography, which is a great primer to get you started. Moving on at number 4. We have the LUPIT Pole Professional Dance Pole for Home. High-precision joints and high-quality, chrome-finished steel make the LUPIT Professional Dance Pole for Home use a great choice for any men and women who are starting a home-based fitness routine. This pole dancing pole can handle even larger women with ease, and the stability and strength make it feel sturdy enough for truly rigorous workouts. You can use it for inverted moves, spinning, jumps, and tricks with confidence because the quadruple ball bearing system allows for ease of spinning. It easily converts from static to spinning mode, and it comes with 2 height extenders as well as an adjuster on the main pole. Like some of the others, this pole comes with a silicone ring on the base and the top dome, and the dome is extra wide for stability and less likely to damage your ceiling. As with all poles, proper installation is the key to safety. This kit comes with everything you'll need, including the tools for easy setup. At number 3, we have the SereneLife Professional Upgrade Spinning Dance Pole. The SereneLife Pole Dance Pole gives you all the flexibility you need for great at-home workouts with either static or spinning modes quickly changed by moving 2 set screws at the base. This pole is workable for most indoor spaces as it's height adjustable from 6 feet 7 inches all the way up to 9 feet tall. The pole and adjustment pieces are made with high-quality steel that won't corrode or rust. The base and top dome feature solid suction to stay in place but can also be screwed into the ceiling and floor for even more stability. This pole has a load capacity of 617 pounds. Great for building strength and stability, 2 dancers can work on a routine together with this pole. It comes with easy-to-understand installation instructions and the Allen wrench needed for pole assembly. For use at home, you'll appreciate that this pole setup also comes with hand-protecting gloves. At number 2, we have the YAHEETECH Professional Pole Dancing Pole. When you're looking for a fun and exciting way to build strength, flexibility, endurance, and a bit of sex appeal, the YAHEETECH Professional Pole Dancing Pole is a quick way to get you headed toward overall fitness. This easy-to-install pole is height adjustable from 7 feet 3 inches to 9 feet. That way you can accommodate for different rooms with carpet or popcorn ceilings. This high-quality steep pipe dance pole is durable and chromium plating ensures that it's rust and corrosion resistant. It's seriously quick and easy to install, plus it comes with the small wrenches and Allen wrenches you'll need to do it, even with no expertise. It also has a silicone ring at the bottom of the dome and base plate to help protect both your floor and ceiling. If you're planning on rigorous workouts, It is recommended that you set up this pole on joists to avoid causing holes in the ceiling. If you don't know how to find a ceiling joist, a stud finder is the easiest answer. This pole has a maximum weight capacity of more than 440 pounds, so it's really great for anyone who wants a great home workout. If you're struggling a bit with the thought of pole dancing as a fitness activity, you'll appreciate this article by Irma Gard-Meyer that outlines 7 great reasons pole dancing is empowering for women. And finally at number 1. We have the Dancing Pole Kit. The Dance Pole Kit gets rave reviews for its articulating base which works well on uneven floors, and for its double-width pole support dome which helps to prevent ceiling damage. This chrome-plated dance pole is height extendable and works on ceilings from 7.5 to 9 feet in height. The 1.9-inch steel pole is the same diameter that's used by professional dancers. One thing you'll like, especially if you're just getting started with this home fitness craze, is the fact that this kit comes with an instructional DVD, so if you want to get some moves down and practice at home first, you won't be embarrassed to hit the pole dancing class at your local gym or yoga studio later. This pole can accommodate up to 440 pounds, and like others, it comes with all the tools you need to assemble it. It can be static or spinning depending on the moves you want to work on. Since this form of fitness requires many of the same skills performed by gymnasts, grab your mat and stretch well before starting your workout. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.